Hello there. So I got a collapsible shopping cart. So there are a variety of these kinds of carts available. I got the Tourette one on sale. If you are able to lift 25 pounds and have a space to store the cart, then you're good to go. First, I am going to start with the cart collapsed, and I am going to show some of the different variations we can have with this cart. On the bottom is where the wheels can be stored. The little wheels are for the front, and those pop into the holes in the bottom of the cart. The big wheels are for the back, and those pop into the sides on the bottom of the cart. The wheels can come off by pressing the yellow buttons that are next to the wheels. I will demonstrate this later in the video. Now that I've gotten the wheels in place, I am going to flip the cart over so that I can unfold it. While unfolding the cart, I am going to hold the yellow button that is on the handle. There are two positions that the cart can lock into. The first position will give the cart more of a 90-degree angle. For this first position, I'm going to swing the top platform back towards the handle. So this is the first variation, which looks like some of the special carts that you see in hardware stores. Now if you'd like, you can place the crates and stack them on top of the bottom platform like I will be doing here. To unfold the crates, we can simply grab the top of the crate to let the bottom fall out, and then we can push the remaining sides of the crate down and towards the side until they are in place. Now that the crate is ready to use, I am going to place it on the bottom platform on the cart. And since I have a second crate, I will be stacking that on top of the other crate as well. Up close, we can see how the crates stay stacked together with the bottom pegs that go into the small holes on top of the crate below. And ta-da! We have another variation. Note you can even stack a third crate on top if you want even more storage for some serious shopping. For the next variation, I am going to start with moving both of the crates to the side for now. Once I've moved the crates out of the way, I held the button on the handle and unfolded the cart even more until it's locked into the second and final position. Here I used my foot to help keep the cart down as I was unfolding it. Now I'm going to push down the top platform until it stays in place. If we wanted to fold the top platform back up, we could pull the small yellow plastic pieces on either side outwards to free the top platform like so. Now if we plan on putting heavier items onto the top platform, then we have the option of using the support poles that are on either side of the bottom platform. This has a nice tactile feel when it locks into place, so you'll know when it's ready to go. Here I am showing an up-close view of what it looks like when the support poles are being locked into place. After that, I placed a crate on the top platform. So now we have a more standard recognizable variation with a crate on top and a platform on the bottom. If you get a second crate, then you can place it on the bottom platform like I am doing here. So now we have some more storage we can use for those larger shops. Another neat feature about this cart is it has a hook that can help secure the top crate in place for some extra stability. The hooks are in the back and front of the top platform where we can pull them out and place the yellow plastic hook part onto the rim of the crate. To get the hook out, I rotated it outwards, then I pulled it out, and finally I placed the hook onto the top of the crate. To put it back, I simply took the hook off the rim of the crate and I slided it straight back into the top platform. Another cool trick we can do is lock the wheels in place. To do that, I pressed my foot down on the yellow brake located on the back of the bottom platform, and here we can see the cart is no longer able to move. All I had to do to free the cart was use my foot to push the brake upwards, and now the cart is free to go. The brake stops the wheels by pushing out a metal piece that sticks out between the evenly spaced out plastic protrusions inside the wheel. Now I am going to collapse everything. First, I am going to unhook the top crate so that I can collapse it. From here, I am slapping the shorter sides of the crate inwards and folding in the longer sides. If we'd like, we can put the hooks back onto the top of the crate. Now I'm going to collapse the bottom crate. So I'm removing the bottom crate from the cart, and again I am going to slide the shorter sides inwards, And then I am going to fold in the longer sides inwards as well. Now that I have collapsed both of the crates, I am going to fold back the bottom supports. So I am pushing a support pull backwards until it unlocks, and then I am pushing it back into the bottom platform until it clicks into place. After that, I'm going to hold the yellow button on the handle, and then I'm going to fold the cart towards the front. How cool is that? If we want, we can leave the wheels on. To stand the cart up in this case, we can snap out the straight yellow feet that are near the big back wheels. So now we can stand up the folded cart with the wheels. If we want to save up even more space, we can take off the wheels as well. Without the wheels attached, the cart will be able to stand up by itself, so I'm going to snap the yellow feet back. Next, I am flipping over the cart so I can put away the wheels. To pop the wheels off, we can press the yellow button next to the wheel we want to take off, and then we can pull the wheel out. For the big back wheels, I find that putting a finger through each hole in the wheel helps with getting a good grip on the wheel when pulling it out. In the bottom of the cart, there are cutout spaces where the wheels can be stored. Being able to detach the wheels gives us the ability to clean them if needed. Now I'm done with folding the cart and I'm ready to take it out to go shopping. And don't worry, I am not abandoning the second crate, I'm bringing it too. For reference, I took some pictures where I have 2 cases of water stacked on the bottom platform to show an example of it holding heavier items. I was pleasantly surprised that I was still able to fold down the top platform with the cases of water below. All in all, carts like these provide a lot of flexibility and convenience. Here I am showing the instructions that came with the cart I specifically bought. The total maximum load for the cart is 90 kilograms with the bottom support, which is about 198 pounds. Finally, I am showing the specific cart that I bought online. At this moment in time, as I am making this video, both the cart and crates are on sale. To get a second crate, they have a crate option that can be selected. Generally, I cover computer and Linux-related topics, however, I occasionally cover other technology-related topics such as high-tech shopping carts. If you're interested or missed my usual intro, here it is. This is a Media Blitz format that will allow me to share topics faster and keep pace with frequently updated topics. My channel focuses on adding the power of Linux to your Android, Chromebook, or PC without the need to root or remove your system. Additionally, I cover cross-platform topics. My playlists are available from the homepage on my YouTube channel and are organized by operating system and cross-platform topics. To make it easier to follow along with my videos, I include the full written instructions in the pinned comment. So if you scroll down to the comments of the current video you are watching now, you will see the top pinned comment containing the written instructions. To see the whole comment, click on Read More. Any updates will be noted at the top of the pinned comment. Note that you can copy and paste the notes into a text file like I have here with the mousepad text editor. Or, if you're feeling fancy, we can copy and paste the notes into a TiddlyWiki notebook, also known as Flexible Offline Searchable Notes. Here, I pressed the backtick key from the top left of the keyboard so that there are 3 backticks before and after the text. This will apply monospaced block formatting. Keep in mind that you can modify the notes however you'd like, whether that's formatting, adding images, or changing what's in the notes. For more information on TiddlyWiki, I recommend watching my TiddlyWiki videos. That concludes the intro, now onward to the video.